In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the mean. Another word for the mean is the average. We find the average to find a trend. Let's say you went apple picking and you got a lot of apples, and so you decided, I'm going to eat several apples every day. So the first day you eat two apples, the next day you eat three apples. The next day, you eat three apples. The day after that, you eat one. And the day after that, you eat another one. So over 5 days, you ate 10 apples. And now someone asks you, how many apples did you eat every day? You could say Monday I ate two, Tuesday I ate three, Wednesday I ate three, and go through everything, but that could be kind of hard. You could just give them the average. So let's see, how do we find the average? Well, you ate 10 apples over 5 days. So what we do is we add up all the numbers in the data set and then we divide it by the number of numbers in the data set. So there are one, two, three, four, five numbers. And now we're going to divide it by the total when we add up all those numbers. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So you could say, I ate about two apples every day. So the mean is two. Let's say someone says to you, what is your average on your math tests? And you say, okay, let me get all the math scores I got. So I got an 80, I got a 90, and I got 100. Okay, so if I add up all my test scores, I get 270. So now the total, when I add up all the data, is 270. And I have one, two, three numbers in my data set. And when I divide 270 by 3, I get 90. So the mean is 90, or my average for the math test is 90. Let's say you're doing some exercise and you want to see about how many minutes of exercising you're getting. And let's say this exercising is walking. So for the first day, you walk 10 minutes, then you walk the next day 30 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 25 minutes. So when we add up all the numbers in the data set, we get 100. And the amount of numbers we have in the data set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 numbers in the data set. So when I add all the numbers in the data set, I get 20. So my average amount of exercise is 20 minutes per day. Let's do one more. Let's say you are studying for a big test and someone asks you, how many hours have you been studying this week? And you say, okay, well, let me write out the number of hours. So I did 2 hours one day, 1 hour one day, 1.5 hours another day, 2.5 hours another day, and then 3 hours another day. So when I add up all the number of hours, I get a total of 10 hours. And I have a total of one, two, three, four, five numbers in my data set. When I divide, I get a total of 2. So I studied 2 hours per day over 5 days. So this is how you find the mean in a group of numbers. Good luck.